Good morning, Mr. Fofana. Good morning, dear followers. Today we are here to talk about a specific topic, that is finger tracking in real-time human-computer interaction. And this will be presented by Amani, student from Exatic. Here we go. During this presentation, we'll start with an introduction. Just after, we'll check the way finger tracking works, and then we'll move on its applications. And finally, we will conclude. For a long time, research on human-computer interaction has been restricted to techniques based on the use of monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Recently, this paradigm has changed. Techniques such as vision, sound, speech recognition, projected displays, and location-aware devices allow for a much richer multimodal interaction between man and machine. This is where finger tracking appears. So finger tracking is usage of bare hand to operate a computer in order to make human-computer interaction much more faster and easier. How it works. In order to give you one understanding about this, I just selected these pictures in order to explain. So 3 years ago, we had two scientists, Crowley and Buran. They used correlation tracking to build a system called fingerprint. This is what we can see on the picture A. This one allows the user to paint on a wall with the bare finger. The system tracks the finger position in real time and displays it with a projector to the wall. Fingerprint was inspired by the digital desk. This is what we can see on the picture B. This one also uses a combination of projector and camera to create an augmented reality, and this system used image referencing to find the figure. And the final one is the television control with the hand. 2 years ago, one of the scientists too, his name is Freeman, he used correlation tracks, the whole hand, and to discriminate simple gestures. He applied the system to build a gesture-based television control. In his setup, the search region was simply restricted to a fixed rectangle here. As soon as the user moves his hand into this rectangle, the television screen is turned on. Some graphical controls allow manipulation of the channel and volume with a pointer controlled by the hand. So the different applications are, first of all, the finger mouse. The finger here, we can see the finger mouse on a projected. So on the picture A, this one allows us to move the mouse pointer. On the picture B, we can double click with an outstretched thumb, and on the picture C, we can scroll up and down with all 5 fingers outstretched. The second one is the projected screens. So right here, the user can paint directly onto the wall with his or her finger by controlling the Windows Paint application with the finger mouse. So this is what we can see here, here, and here. Alright, so in order to give you an overview about this one, let's work together this video. So right here, the guy is able to move the different text on the screen. And I just want to remind you that this one is projected onto the wall. So it's directly on the wall that the guy is doing this, moving the different text. Yeah. Alright. And the second one here, the guy is making a kind of schema for his presentation, and you know how amazing it is. He's just using his own finger directly on the wall in order to select the different text and to put them on the right order. And the final is that we can have more than 2 or 3 people on the same screen. This is, yes, what they are doing. They are moving different text on the same screen, yeah, onto the wall. So just after, at the end, they will have the same result, but the point is they can use the system together at the same time. Alright, so I just want to thank you for your attention. At the end of this presentation, we just have to return that finger tracking is too interesting, and this is a kind of revolution for the ICT. So with finger tracking, you go faster and easier. Thank you so much.